Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can deactivate a page in Facebook application. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, write comments under this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get into this interesting topic. And I want to show you the whole process from the very beginning. So, first of all, open the Facebook application itself. After that, when you are on your Facebook account, first, friends, go to the menu section to switch to the page. Next, at the top, click right here. Here, select the page and click on it to switch. Next, go again to the menu section. And now, at the top, click on the gear to go to settings. In settings, click on the search bar and enter AC. Next, you will need to select an option here, which is called Option Control. After that, you will go to Deactivate or Delete. Click on this option. Wait for it to load, it may take some time. And so on. As you can see, automatically already here everything is already set to deactivate, so just click Continue. Next, friends, you'll need to enter your Facebook password. Since I just did that literally 5 minutes ago, I don't need to do that. But you enter your Facebook password and you will be taken to the next page like this. Here you'll have to choose the reason why you've decided to deactivate your Facebook page. But it's really not that important. You can choose any option you want. I, for example, will choose the first one. And then click Continue. After that, you'll be taken to a page like this where you have to scroll down to the bottom. And here, if you want to deactivate your page for a certain amount of time, you can choose how many days you're going to do that for. To do that, click right here. And here, as you can see, you can deactivate your page for a maximum of 7 days or until you activate it automatically. Meaning, if you have, let's say, like I do now, you have it set to 7 days, your Facebook page will be inactive for a week, but at the end of the 7 days, it will automatically activate. And if you choose, until I activate automatically, then in this way your page can be deactivated for, let's say, 10 days and 2 weeks until you go and activate it again. Choose the option that is more convenient for you. Then click Also Continue. And you'll be taken to the very last page, where the only thing you have to click on is Continue. Thus, you will activate your Facebook page. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful to you. You have seen how you can deactivate your page in Facebook application. Please put your likes under this video. Also write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.